The Fitbit Versa and Fitbit Ionic are quite expensive, so the company wants to change that with its Versa Lite. The Fitbit Versa Lite Edition is a new version of last year's best-selling Fitbit Versa, but comes with a few features omitted on the piece. It's not the cheapest smartwatch in the market, but it's way cheaper than the original selling price of the Versa. Fitbit Versa Lite release date and price. You can pre-order this Fitbit Versa Lite now and it will be on sale from sometime this month, March, in the US and UK. Walmart suggests this piece will be available in the US from Friday, March 15th. Those in the UK will likely have to wait a week longer, with both Amazon UK and Argos using Friday, March 22nd as placeholder dates. This Versa Lite comes with $159.95/$149.99/$249.95 price tag. Design and display. There's a touch screen on the front of this piece, and while we don't currently have the specs, we know it's a full-color display and we expect it to have a resolution of 300x300, that's what the Fitbit Versa has. The Fitbit logo is also emblazoned along the bottom bezel. The left-hand side of the watch has the only button that you'll be using on the Fitbit Versa Lite Edition, which will wake up the watch ready for you to cycle through the menus you need to see. This watch itself comes in white, lilac, mulberry and marina blue colors. Smartwatch features. The Versa Lite is not featured Fitbit Pay and you cannot upload music in this Fitbit Versa Lite. To get those features you'll have to buy the Fitbit Versa Special Edition, or the normal Fitbit Versa for those in Australia. Battery life. Fitbit claimed that this Versa Lite can last for 4 days from a single charge, but you'll want to bear in mind that will change depending on how much you are using it.